amazing, folks. This video I'll pull down very soon. I'm just going to explain. If you understand this video that I'm telling you right now, you have the keys to the universe and how to do anything. You can make anything disappear if you have the technology. Let's get into this video. It's called Alien Magic, and it's real. And let's explain to you in layman's terms how this is accomplished. This belt that I'm talking about that they've developed, like General Electric developed it with Raytheon, and what it does, folks, when you reduce the molecular weight of an object, neutralize its weight to zero, it's the only way you can teleport an object to another dimension, anywhere you want to go, providing you have enough energy. And I'm going to explain to you how it works. And I understand how it works. It's alien magic. You could be a trillionaire if you listen to this video and know how to do it. This is the secret to the universe. What they do is, when you reduce the molecular weight of an object, the mass, and strip it of all its energy, it's ready to transport. This is the secret. When you reverse the polarity and polarize the energy, electrons flow from negative to positive. What they're doing here, folks, is they're creating two fields at the same time while applying electricity or photon energy. Photon energy is amazing. How gamma photon energy is magic when it hits. And what it does is, the object that's being targeted, when the polarity changes, it basically has to recover the object that's being targeted. Let's say a person's being hit with this. Once they're reduced to zero, the mass is at zero, the energy is at zero, the point of entry for recovering has to be negative to positive is what we started with. Well, it creates two polarity fields. Negative going to positive and positive going to negative. And then energy is applied to it at the same time, causing the polarity of both, one to recover and the other one to cause the 1,000,000 fold over of power conversion. So what you got here is an object that has no weight to it. It's stripped of its energy. It's the only way to transport an object. And this is how Raytheon is doing alien magic now. And this is how aliens are teleporting, and this is how they're getting here. It's the way I'm telling you right now, but they have more sophisticated technology. That's how things are teleported, folks. Because the way we're set up on Earth, the 1G, electrons go from negative to positive. There's no way in hell with conventional physics are you going to be able to make an object disappear and go anywhere. And what you need to do is to neutralize the mass and energy fields of the object, of me. Reduce me to nothing. And once you reduce me to nothing, you recover me. And when you recover me, the atoms are polarized in the opposite fashion. They're canceled out. But in order for teleportation to take place, you need to recover it and polarize the atoms and apply energy. And when you're applying gamma photon energy to a living organism, you should see what happens. And the power conversion over, it's almost like 1,000,000 Hiroshima bombs going off, because gamma photon energy being released at the target frequency of the object at the same frequency you're hitting it with will cause the object, the power conversion ratio is incredible. You have no weight to it anymore, so it's even more powerful. You can teleport anything to anywhere in the world. This is the secret to teleportation, folks. This is Nikola Tesla alien magic. I just explained to you. You got to have the right frequency and the right power. Gamma photon energy is what the aliens use to teleport. This is their magic wand, is gamma photon energy, folks. This is the magic key to the universe. It also ties in with dark matter. This is what I want to explain to you, and this is what they're using now. This is what the Galactics use. This is what the Pleiadians, all these entities, these advanced, the Vrils, they're using zero-point energy. It's a form of it. The World Trade Center was an experiment, a cult experiment that they did with alien magic, and this is what it was. And what happened was the same technology used to orchestrate on the World Trade Center. They used a molecular dissociation weapon. It does the same thing. It reduces the weight, but instead of them hitting it and transporting it, they destroyed it and brought it down to a micron of dust because it disappeared. It went somewhere. And in this aspect, it was disintegrated with heat. But you can see what they're doing in this situation. It's the same principle, but what they're doing is they're reversing the polarity and applying gamma photon energy, which is magic energy. It doesn't come just from anywhere. You only get that from a collapsing a nova, a supernova, or a collapsing star. This is the secret, folks. And they have an artificial wave that hits the target frequency. It's a magic. And you just learned how space travel happens and how it works. You need to reduce it to zero.